Welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you Japanese 7 herbs rice porridge. We eat this healthy rice porridge on 7th of January based on Eastern medicine. During the holidays, our digestive organs keep working for continuous and too much festive feast. To take good care of our body, we eat the porridge. Let's get started. Rinse your rice until the water runs clear. Transfer to an earthenware pot or heavy bottom pot. Add a pinch of salt and water. Turn the heat to medium-high until it starts to boil. Stir to separate the grain. Lower the heat to the lowest possible heat. Put the lid on and simmer for 30 minutes or until look like this. Each grain should keep its shape and not too soft. While simmering, chop the herbs into small pieces. Here are the 7 herbs. I think the watercress or arugula are good substitution. Add them in the pot and stir to distribute evenly. Put the lid on and let it sit while preparing the sauce. Add all the ingredients of sauce in the pot. Turn the heat to medium-high. Stir constantly until it comes to a boil. When the mixture thickens and translucent, it is done. Let's take a look at the porridge. It smells like a little bit of medicine and a little bit greenish. Transfer to a bowl and ladle over a generous amount of sauce. And for the final touch, add a little bit of grated ginger. It's so hot so that be careful not to burn your mouth. Alternatively, serve with umeboshi, the Japanese pickled salad plant. It helps digestion as well. The combination of rice porridge and umeboshi is the staple when you get sick in Japan, like chicken soup in America. The porridge tastes a little bit bitter but fragrant. The texture is soft, but the grains still has firmness. It's very comforting food for us. You can use any kind of herbs of your choice. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Follow me on social media for daily updates other than the recipes. And go to my website princessbamboo.com for more information. The store on Amazon open 24/7 if you want to have Japanese ingredients or kitchen tools. That's it for today. Thanks again and see you in the week. Bye!